Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right garter thread for stretch and fabric. This controls elasticity and lifespan. Thread a 1, 5 2mm needle and set stitch length to 2, 5 3mm for balanced tension. Once threaded, make a small knot and leave a 3/4 cm tail to anchor. Start with a test scrap, so one short line and tug to confirm give. If the scrap springs back neatly, you're ready to apply the same first running stitches to your project. Start now. Now you form the elastic rows. Sew parallel lines spaced 3 6mm apart to create consistent gathers. Maintain even tension. Gentle, steady hands prevent puckers. If you pull too hard, fabric will pucker and threads will break. Once you reach 10-15 cm, tie an interim knot to hold progress. This prevents a long run from undoing. As you go, smooth fabric with your free hand and check elasticity periodically so the gathers sit evenly and the piece stays flat. To finish, overlap the last 1-2 cm of stitches with back stitches and tie a firm knot. This locks elastic in place. Trim tails to about 3-4 mm so they won't catch, then stretch the seam across the entire piece to confirm consistent gather. If you see puckering, don't panic. Loosen stitch tension, remove only the affected rows, and resew with gentler tension. One key troubleshooting tip: if threads keep breaking, switch to a stronger thread size or a larger needle and retest on scrap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.